Hi, I'm Dr. Kirti and today I'll be talking about harmful effects of smoking on mouth. So before starting, I would like to ask why you started smoking after all. I think most of you might have kept a picture like this in your mind before you started smoking. But nobody knew the real picture, which is this. Pretty scary, right? So you might be aware that how smoking affects your body and general health. But do you know the effects of smoking on mouth? So here's something for you. Smoking can cause staining of teeth, bad breath, gum diseases, tooth loss, and even oral cancer. Staining of teeth is the most common of all. Nicotine and tar in the tobacco can make teeth yellow in a very short span of time, and some of these stains can be permanent also. This is the most embarrassing of all, right? The main reason for bad breath are the chemicals such as tar and nicotine found in cigarettes. Smoking also creates plaque and tartar, which are nothing but deposits on teeth and gums. So let me explain what happens here. Chemicals in cigarette causes dryness of mouth, making it easier for germs to stick to the teeth and gums. If not removed, these deposits hardens and requires professional cleaning. Now this is something serious. If the deposits are not taken care of, gums become infected and weak and show signs such as redness, pain, bleeding and swelling. Now it's pretty much straightforward from here. Weaker gums can't hold the teeth properly, causing tooth loss. See how things are getting worse? Now you don't have teeth also. Great. Smoking reduces blood flow and interferes with our immune system, causing delayed healing. This is the very reason why your dentist advises you to avoid smoking for a few days after tooth removal. This is strange but true. The chemicals in cigarette reduces the ability to smell and taste food, which is often compensated by an increased intake of salt and spices. Long-term smoking can also lead to hairy tongue or scary tongue, to be honest. It's awful even to look at this picture. Can you imagine yourself in this picture? And here comes the showstopper, oral cancer. About 90% of the people with cancer of mouth, tongue, lips and throat use or have used tobacco in one or the other form. Risk of developing cancer increases with the amount of tobacco smoked. It usually starts in the form of an ulcer or a white patch in the mouth. Now there is something called as smoker's face, which is seen in individuals who have been smoking since years. There are early face wrinkles around eyes, mouth and neck. Skin look pale and unhealthy and lips become dark. So this picture proves the logic of looking handsome while smoking wrong. After knowing this, why don't you quit now? So now the question is, how can you quit smoking? If you have decided so, it's very much important that you take your dentist advice, as any changes in mouth can be picked early by visiting your dentist regularly. Your dentist can help you with counseling regarding quitting this habit and prescribing you nicotine replacement therapy in the form of nicotine chewing gums or patches. So apart from routine oral hygiene such as brushing twice daily, flossing daily and using prescription mouth rinse, it's very much important to see your dentist immediately if you notice any of these. Either an ulcer which do not heal within 3 weeks, red and white patch in your mouth or an unusual lump or swelling in your mouth. Thank you for the patient listening. Please, if you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel all about teeth and press the bell icon to get the notification.